Hello everyone. Welcome back to English Daily. I am very happy that you are here with me today. I hope you are having a wonderful day. I wish you happiness, good health, and lots of positive energy. Every lesson you finish is another step towards speaking English with confidence. Today we are going to learn a topic that everyone can talk about. Our topic is my family. Family is one of the first things we talk about when we meet new people. It is simple. It is personal. And it helps us build friendly conversations. By the end of this lesson, you will know how to introduce your family in clear and natural English. Before we begin, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel. Give this video a like if you enjoy learning with us. Share this lesson with your friends and family. Your support helps us create more English lessons every week. Now let's begin. First, let's meet my family. I live with my parents and my younger sister. We are a happy family. We enjoy spending time together every day. The first phrase is live with. Please repeat after me. Live with. Live with. Wonderful. That phrase sounds very natural. You will hear native speakers use it all the time. Now let's say it together. I live with my family. Excellent. Next, let us talk about my parents. The word is parents. Please repeat. Parents. Parents. Very nice. My parents are kind and hardworking. My father is 48 years old. He is an engineer. He enjoys reading books and fixing things around the house. My mother is 45 years old. She is a teacher. She loves cooking and gardening. She always prepares delicious meals for our family. Those are wonderful words to remember. Parents. Engineer. Teacher. They appear in many everyday conversations. Let us say them once again. Parents. Engineer. Teacher. Great job. After that, let us talk about my brother. The word is brother. Please repeat. Brother. Brother. I have one older brother. He is 22 years old. He is a university student. He likes playing basketball after school. He also enjoys listening to music. Sometimes we watch movies together on the weekend. That sounds like a fun activity. The word brother is easy to remember. So let us say it one more time. Brother. Excellent. Now let us continue. I also have one younger sister. The word is sister. Please repeat. Sister. Sister. She is 12 years old. She is a middle school student. She likes drawing pictures. She also enjoys reading storybooks. Sometimes we study English together in the evening. Learning with family can be enjoyable. You can help each other practice every day. Now let us repeat two important words together. Brother. Sister. Fantastic. You are doing very well. Next, let us describe our family using complete sentences. Listen carefully. I live with my parents. I have one brother. I have one sister. My father is an engineer. My mother is a teacher. My brother is a student. My sister likes drawing. These are short sentences. However, they can help you introduce your family with confidence. When you combine simple sentences, you can tell a complete story. Now let us learn a little more. Every evening, my family has dinner together. We talk about our day. We laugh together. Sometimes we watch television. Sometimes we play board games. On weekends, we often visit our grandparents. Family time is very important to us. It brings us closer together. Here are a few more nice expressions. Spend time together. Have dinner together. Visit grandparents. Those expressions sound warm and natural. You can use them in many conversations. Let us repeat them together. Spend time together. Have dinner together. Visit grandparents. Wonderful. Now imagine someone asks you about your family. You can answer like this. I live with my parents. I have one brother and one sister. My father is an engineer. My mother is a teacher. We enjoy spending time together. That is a simple introduction. It sounds natural. And it is easy to remember. Finally, let us review today's lesson. We learned the word parents. We learned the word brother. We learned the word sister. We practiced the phrase live with. We also learned how to introduce family members. We talked about age. We talked about jobs. We talked about hobbies. Little by little, your English is becoming stronger. Keep speaking aloud. Keep listening carefully. And most importantly, enjoy the learning process. Thank you very much for spending your time with me today. I truly hope this lesson helps you speak about your family with more confidence. If you enjoyed today's lesson, please subscribe to English Daily. Give this video a like. Share it with your friends, classmates, and family members who are learning English. Your support allows us to create more practical lessons for learners around the world. Thank you again for learning with me. I wish you a peaceful day, a happy heart, and great success in everything you do. Keep practicing English every day. I will see you in the next lesson. Goodbye for now, bye.